Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get a refund on Cash App if you got scammed, guys. So I'll show you step by step what you can do. First of all, guys, you need to go to the transaction history and you need to find the transaction from which you got scammed, guys. So you need to find this transaction and click it, guys. And when you click this transaction, then you need to click the three dots on the top right, and then you need to copy the transaction ID, which is called identifier. You need to copy this and you can close this page, guys. Now we can click the profile icon on the top right, scroll all the way down and click support. Now we need to write scam inside the search. Open the first result. You can read this information, guys, and when you scroll all the way down, you will see the chat button. You need to click chat. You need to explain your issue that you got scammed. You need to write them your transaction ID. We just copied, guys. So we are going to contact directly to the Cash App support, and most likely they will help us and they will solve our problem, guys. So we need to refund on Cash App. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.